This video is a guide to help learn car seat mode for safety first Foldtastic featuring onboard FLX infant car seat. Make sure you read the complete instruction manual, which includes important warnings and other information. Before using car seat mode, ensure the parking brake is locked. Start by reclining the stroller seat to the lowest position. The bumper bar must also be removed before installing a car seat. Insert the included car seat adapters into the slots on the stroller where the bumper bar normally goes. An adapter can only go into a slot one way. Do not force an adapter into an incorrect slot. Once the adapters are properly installed, lower the car seat onto the adapters until it clicks into place. Pull gently on the car seat to make sure it is attached securely. The car seat can only be installed parent-facing. To remove the car seat from the stroller, press and hold the release handle on your car seat. While holding the handle, lift the car seat out of the stroller. Once the seat is removed, you may then remove the car seat adapters. To remove the adapters, press in the button on the side of each adapter and slide them out of the stroller slots.